Production plans let you select multiple recipes, set a goal amount that you want to produce, and make sure you have all the inventory you need in order to be able to produce that. So if you have a forecast, whether that's for a week, a month, a quarter, or even a whole year, you can enter what that is, and then you can see the ingredients that you'll need to purchase in order to hit those goals. We'll get started by choosing a date range for the plan and giving this a name that will help us identify it. In this case, it's our December forecast. From there, we can search for the recipes that we're going to be working on, and we can set the amounts that we'll be producing of each recipe. At the recipe level, you define what a batch or package or case is, and you can always edit the recipe if this needs to change. You'll also have the option to create production runs directly from the plan. So based on the date that you set and the recipes that you've chose, it will create separate production runs for each recipe. Based on what you've selected, you'll see the inventory that you have on hand, what's required for the productions, and what you would need to purchase in order to meet those production goals. If you've entered costs for the ingredients, you'll also see the estimated cost to purchase the needed ingredients. In addition, if you've added any hourly costs, those will be broken out separately. You can also add a margin of safety, which is a buffer so that you don't run out of any of the necessary ingredients. The column already in work in progress accounts for sub-recipes. So this shows you if you have inventory in sub-recipes that will be used to fulfill this production. This means you'll need less of the inventory on hand in order to reach those production goals. Once you've got everything set, you can view the report. This gives you a clean version that can either be printed or downloaded. Production plans make it easy to understand what you'll need to purchase in order to hit your production goals.